G'day guys, today I'm going to show you two different ways to make a bird feeder from items that you've already got around your home.
The first feeder is using a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll. I got the cheapest bird seed from the grocery store, smooth peanut butter and a paddle pop stick. To hang it in the tree you'll need string and scissors. So as this was an activity that I wanted to do with Sophie, and for quick and easy cleanup, I lay a big sheet down below, poured in the bird feed, and then using the paddle pop stick put the peanut butter onto the roll. Well, once Sophie worked out it was peanut butter, she just wanted to eat it. And because of this, I ended up rolling it in the bird seed. Pro tip here, have on hand baby wipes so you can clean those sticky fingers straight away so you don't get peanut butter everywhere. Any gaps on the toilet paper roll, I added more peanut butter and then rolled again.
Roll.
Sophie is so cute here. She works out she's not getting any more peanut butter, so she starts wiping the table.
Cool.
Looks good, love. Well done, Soph.
Then I looped around the string, tied it in a double knot, and then as a family we went outside and hung it in a tree. Within a week all the bird seed was gone and I was just left with the toilet paper roll with peck marks all over it. Unfortunately, Sophie and I didn't actually see the birds eating it. Hopefully next time. Option 2, you don't need any peanut butter, just bird seed, an egg carton and scissors and string. Using a dozen egg carton, I cut off the excess part and then cut it in half so that there was just 6 spots for the bird feed. I poked holes in each corner with scissors. I made the holes in the middle so that the weight of the bird seed wouldn't break the egg carton. And then using the string, I tied 2 double knots through each hole so that the string won't come off either. This worked really well. A week later, all the bird seed was gone, but the egg carton was still hanging in the tree where I'd left it. I got Sophie involved with putting the bird seed in the container, and then I gave it to her to take outside. As you can see here, she spilled it. Then we hung it up in the tree.
Thanks for watching. Bye. You cleaning? Well done. Good cleanup.